Collaboration suites versus team productivity tools. Which one is better for cross-functional teams? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any tool labeled team software will solve productivity issues. The surprising truth is that collaboration suites and team productivity tools serve different purposes, and choosing the right one can transform how cross-functional teams work together. Collaboration suites like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, or Slack are designed for communication and shared access. They allow teams to chat, video conference, edit documents together, and share files in real time. For example, a marketing and engineering team working on a product launch can collaborate on a single document, discuss updates in a chat channel, and meet via video, all in one platform. Collaboration suites break down communication barriers and centralize resources. Team productivity tools, such as Asana, Trello, or Monday.com, focus on planning, tracking, and managing tasks. They help teams define workflows, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and monitor progress. For instance, a product development team can map out each phase of a launch, track dependencies, and ensure deliverables are completed on time. Productivity tools keep work organized and accountability clear. A key difference is interaction versus execution. Collaboration suites enhance communication and resource sharing, while productivity tools structure work and ensure deadlines are met. Many cross-functional teams benefit from combining both. Use collaboration suites to stay connected and productivity tools to track and manage tasks efficiently. The takeaway is simple. If your main challenge is communication and document sharing, collaboration suites are the better choice. If your goal is task tracking, workflow management, and project completion, team productivity tools excel. The surprising truth is that integrating both creates a high-performing team environment, where communication is seamless, tasks are clear, and projects move faster from idea to execution.